Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to fix audio sound not playing in Adobe Premiere Pro. So we edit video. So when we are going to play it, you don't see any audio. So we are going to fix it. On top you see edit, so click on it, and then you see preference, and then you see audio hardware, so click on it. So we are in audio hardware, and then you see default input output. Now you see microphone, and then you see speaker. So you can select option according to requirement. And then click on OK. So after that your issue will be fixed. And today we are going to delete. Now you see audio is playing on video. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.